we have Brandy from Dandi Offroad
Right.
going to demonstrate how to operate the Binford 6500.
It's so easy, even a gal can do it.
Oh, it wasn't empty.
I feel like I was set up.
We're going to find out if all the cans in this bag right here will fit in this bucket right here.
How awesome it is.
Look at this thing. What is it?
Can crusher.
It's a can crusher. Pneumatic can crusher.
I didn't know Fox was manufacturing those.
That is a front shock off a Class 11 race car, by the way.
Off the what?
Class 11 race car.
Nice.
That is a actual Class 11 race car front shock.
Oh, we got to do another one. That's awesome.
Modified by Metalcraft Motorsports.
Yeah, so it crushes cans perfectly. Here's all the cans. There's a bunch of cans. Check those cans out. Awesome.
And everything was made from leftover that I have around here, including all the AN fittings and lines.
Nice. Let's get a shot of those. Look at those. Look at all those fittings. Nice. All right. It's about to get official right here.
There's some half-inch washers in there.
Yeah, I got one, but it's a little sloppy on the...
There you go.
Got your shrink-tubing stretcher?
This is Metalcraft Motorsports. This is how we do it. Singer Billy Racing in the house. UL listed electrical tape. How many volts is it good for per single rep? 600 volts. That works.
Button works. Look at that. Button works. We're in business. Now we're going to put a grip on it, and it is official. The Sanger Billy Metalcraft.
How the hell are we going to get that all the way into there? That's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. When I was a kid, we always used soap. Like,
Dish soap?
yeah, dish soap. Slide it on, then it dries.
Well, we got to get the button.
Yeah, all the way through.
Here. And
Get a wire and tie a wire onto the end and with a noose.
A little bit of fish tape.
With a noose.
well, here, do this. We'll put a nut on here.
Yeah, grab the nut, pull the nut all the way through.
Yeah, and then we'll just leave it. We'll run the nut almost all the way down.
Where's your safety wire pliers?
Just go around that.
Safety wire pliers. Tighten that up. There you go. Watch your eyes. Don't try this at home.
Oh, yeah. Money.
You want to lubricate your shaft before you stick it.
What's that?
You're probably going to want to lubricate your shaft before you stick it in there.
Huh. That's what?
So in other words, put some Der Wiener Schleider on it.
A little bit less friction, you're saying?
Yeah, Der Wiener Schleider.
So it is some
What's it called?
Der Wiener Schleider.
Okay, I got you.
We need some Der Wiener slipping.
I'll get you some Der Wiener slipping.
Uh-oh, what do we got?
This is not recommended for Der Wiener.
There you go.
But it is slipping.
It is slipping. Slippery.
Well, lube it up.
I'm on it.
Let's see your technique here. Wow. Huh.
You really know how to handle a shaft.
There you go.
Should we put any in here? This is pretty sticky. Ah, there you go.
Fingers, you gotta spread it around.
Oh, look at that. That is money. I don't know how much money.
There you go. Don't pull the wire anymore.
Still above it.
It's official.
You need some more Der Wiener slipping?
Buttons are here. So we'll go here.
Slide it down just to where those contacts touch the metal and you'll be good to go. Zzz.
Live.
Well, it's not touching it either. It's
Yeah.
right there.
Uh-oh.
Pressure's on.
What's that?
The pressure's on.
What are we doing here?
Well, we need a test dummy for the Binford 6500.
No beer cans were harmed in the filming of this video. Well, they were. Maybe a little bit. Uh-oh. Now it's real.
We'll give it a go.
This is the Binford 6500 Fox Shock Beer Can Challenge. Test number 7.
Awesome. How'd it work? How do you feel about that?
Oh man, that is awesome. I just want to thank my sponsors, Metalcraft Motorsports and Jackson Construction. And a Binford, of course.
So what are you going to do now that you've completed
I'll go
this?
to Disneyland.
Exactly. That's what we're looking for. Disneyland.
Nah, I'm going to the desert.
Going to, oh, that's better.
I'm going to the desert land.
What are you going to do in the desert?
I'm going to ride my motor pickle.
That is quite the contraption. Push that button once for us. We like that. Oh yeah. Here, let me get it from this angle.
This is a left-handed beer crusher.
Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get the whole thing in there. Okay, one more time. I feel pretty good about that. How do you feel about it?
I think we have a winner.
I do too. That's pretty awesome.
We can build you one for the low, low cost of $495. 3 easy installments.
3?
Three easy installments of $495.
Okay, yeah. You provide all the materials and labor.
Absolutely. And we're even shipping's free.
Shipping's free. That's a good deal. That's a heck of a deal right there.
I think it's Sanger
Here we
Billy
are.
Racing.
Sanger Billy Racing, Sanger, California. This is the Fox Shock Beer Can Challenge. Take number 8. We have Brandy from Dandi Offroad
Right.
going to demonstrate how to operate the Binford 6500.
It's so easy, even a gal can do it.
Okay, show us what you got, Brandy.
I'm real nervous. Ready?
Wait, it's a left-handed beer can crusher.
Wrong
It might
hand, wrong
explode.
hand.
There you go.
right.
Atta girl. Let her rip, tater chip.
Oh, it wasn't empty.
I feel like I was set up, but guess what? I don't care. Nice.
So, Brandy,
Perfect crack.
How I feel about that?
how do you feel about our Binford 6500
I-
Fox Shocks?
I feel like
Can
everyone
crusher.
should have one. I mean, if you care about recycling and the planet, this makes it fun.
Absolutely. And you too can have one of these for 3 easy payments of $495 each.
Plus shipping.
Shipping's free.
Oh, but that's not it.
Today only.
Continental
Today
Today
only.
only for the next 20 callers.
We're going to throw in free shipping and a 12-pack of empty beer cans so
you
you
can
can
crush?
practice.
Okay, guys. Seriously?
Serious.
Oh, too much. Everyone needs one. I'm going to get one. You're going to make me one. Are you going to put it on wheels?
Call now.
Call now.
Call now.
Wheels.
1-800.
The number's on the bottom of the
Canada.
screen.
876-5309.
There you go. That's the
All right. We're going to find out if all the cans in this bag right here will fit in this bucket right here after they've met with the...
the Binford 6500.
Who's got the button? Mash the button. You gotta hold the button down.
Oh, and make it crush more? Okay. Yeah, that was not fair. Here we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Wave my fingers.
I know. Don't worry.
It is somewhat
Okay.
satisfying.
We might have to come back. This is going to take a minute.
What happened here now? I see someone else had to have a turn.
Well, I got to make sure this works.
Oh, yeah, before you put your stamp of approval on it.
You can't just be saying it works.
How does it feel, though?
It feels pretty awesome.
It feels really good. Huh?
Like a kid in a candy store.
It is like a kid in a beer can store.
Like an adult at the liquor store.
Is there a beer can store?
It's like a fat kid after candy.
Yeah. Let's get a little close-up action on this puppy. Look at that, folks. I say, where's the thing? Oh, yeah, there it is. Looks good. Dandy approved.
All those. There's still a lot left.
Yeah.
There's a lot left. But that guy's full.
I'm
Completely
just saying,
full.
I need a bag so we can do this. We're going to dump this in that.
Okay, so the contents of one 33-gallon trash bag of beer cans does not fit into one bucket.
It's full.
But it does fit into 2 buckets.
And I don't even know how we got all these cans. People just donated them to us. It's crazy.
There we go, look at
Woo! Hey, Lex, we're
filming
building one today also. My son just finished machining some parts for it. Nice, Lex.
that. No way.
He said, that's hilarious. Good. Send us a video, Lex. We want to see it. Scott? John? Woo!
If you get a chance and you'd like to, please comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell, the one that reminds you when we put out new videos. We're about to hit that 1,000, and we really appreciate all the subscribers and hope that we can continue to do this. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into